Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find previous watched on Netflix. First, open the Netflix app on your phone. Make sure you are using the correct profile because watch history is saved separately from each profile. Now tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your phone. After that, tap on the three dot, then tap on the account. Netflix will open your account setting in a web page. Next, scroll down and tap on profile and parent control. Next, tap on the profile name you want to check. Now select viewing activity. Here you will see all the view list of everything you have watched, including movie and TV episodes listed by date. You can scroll through to see older list, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.